and you're throwing a hammer out there. See what happens. Skip shooter standing by.
Hey, 211 Texas. I just want to wave a happy birthday. Yeah, skip shooter. Mother Nature got me back. 211.
All right, 211. Yeah, it comes up. That's a pretty strong. That key, man.
Watchmaker on the shop. Right back. Nah, you know what it is? I'm getting down. See a plan. Yeah, Fontaine, yeah, I got the pigtails all redone. She's all good. I'm just on the shop road right now. I'm on the road and being
Sounding good, hey, a watchmaker. Sounding good, a 122 Maine. Hey, we're trying to let you know.
We got a whole lot of rough conditions down here. We got Bayou coming in there and cross-channeling a little bit of everything else. But, hey, 122, you keep slipping up in my receive. Take care of Skip Shooter 357 Magnum, Carolina's sitting by.
Real good copy, Skip Shooter. Real good copy. It's starting to fade out. Starting to fade out up here a little bit on me. But yes, I think you're probably going to have it a little bit longer down that way, no doubt. Hey, Skip Shooter, still sounding real good up here in the corner.
122, I appreciate it, man. Always a pleasure on our end to get you in there and have a big old happy Father's Day tomorrow, and I hope every day goes well at the Northeast corner. Skip Shooter 357 in the North Carolina mountains.
Yeah, it feels really good, actually.
Right back at you. Right back at you, Skip Shooter. Have yourself a good evening. 122 Maine back out. Bye-bye-bye.
Recognition, all right.